Hey boy, boy,
Huh?
are you the one wasting so much water last month?
No?
I'm serious, you are always taking your shower so long.
How can it be me? Should be Jia. You see her hair so long one eh.
Yeah, right. You are always singing in the shower. Don't think we all don't know, right?
Yeah, I hear it too.
Wow, Ma, you cannot take sides in this kind of thing one eh. Not fair.
So, who is the one wasting water? Why is this thing so expensive? Aha! You guys are still wasting water, and yet you don't want to admit. Worst, Zhe, you are the one wasting the most.
Ha！这就是说，哈哈。
You don't be so happy. You are also wasting so much water.
Whatever. We already know you're attracting us.
Look, I know it may sound super naggy, but less than 1% of the world's water is fresh water. Turning off the water when you are applying shampoo and soap. Don't let the water run when you are brushing your teeth. And also, don't let the shower run until you finish your singing. That's why I install IntelliHeat, so that everyone can track their water usage and be aware of how much water they use and join the course.
Mom, who are you talking to?
Oh, nothing.
Anyways, how much water do you use?
I can easily find out with the IntelliHeat. You pay bill or I pay bill?
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.